To me, I see Mother Nature as a physical expression of Father God. She is His infinite provision for our sustenance and survival. Nature is like a giant market. It's full of food, water, shelter, and clothing. It's all out there. But in nature, it's 100% free. We just freely take what we need. It's all freely given and freely received. But greed is not allowed in nature. We only take what we need. And in this way, there's always enough. And enough for everyone. The problem with the world today, because of massive greed on a worldwide scale, much of the Earth's resources have been depleted. Because mankind didn't act out of love, and in accordance with the laws of nature, now there's lack, limitation, and famine on a grand scale. But Mother Nature always has an abundance of provision reserved for those who love and respect her. And this provision has been hidden in her by Father God. Hence, many people have thrived in the wilderness when they couldn't make it in society. Because they recognized Mother Nature as the divine supply. And so the story goes, they ran to her with open arms. And because they embraced her for their sustenance, she worked with them and brought to them those hidden treasures of supply. It's an armadillo, man. I ran into him out here. He's grubbing around, man, for grubs, for food. Look at that. Wow. Look at that shack back here, man. Look at that. Wow.